Hey friends, welcome back to the playful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to build balance and strength using some fun and playful exercises. So without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. Do you remember how we sharpened our feet? Well, we're going to have elevators go up and elevators go down, and the building never moves. Otherwise, people in the elevator will be going from side to side to side. Here we go. Hands, and take a breath as you elevator up, elevator down, elevator up, elevator down, and elevator up, elevator down, elevator up, elevator down. And that's it. For those of you, if you feel that you're going to wobble, hands can just place right here for balance. Elevator up, elevator down, elevator up, elevator down, elevator up, elevator down, elevator up, elevator down. And that's it.